What you doing, Micah? Are you playing?
No.
No. Are you having fun? Yeah. What all have you done today?
School.
Huh?
School.
You didn't go to school. Where'd we go first thing this morning?
Walmart.
What'd you get at Walmart? A new race car? What kind was it?
Motorcycle.
A motorcycle. What else did we do today? Did we watch a movie?
What we did.
We watched. Did we watch Little Einstein?
Yeah. Watch Thomas.
You did watch Thomas? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Have you had fun being at home with Mommy today?
Yeah.
Good. I love you. I love you.
Whee.
Who are you going to get to see tonight?
Only this Dina and me Catherine and then
And Grand Larry, that's right. Love you.
And then Isa and then it's Dina.
That's right.